Hey, this is Matt here with 911R, and we have the 79 911SC with just an amazing history, and also it is a special wishes type of order. It is a paint to sample. It's using early 71 911 light ivory in color. It's kind of a yellowish cream color, off-white. Then it also has a mahogany custom interior that was done all at Porsche. Some very unique things about it is leather sport seats, leather door cards, leather uppers, leather dash. Then also the door pockets were also done in leather. Again, this is all stuff that was done by Porsche. Nothing's ever been changed on it. The leather dash is in beautiful condition, leather wrapped steering wheel. We did a little bit of dye fill on the interior just for like fingernail marks around the switches and a little bit of wear here, but so now it looks absolutely perfect. Really high quality work. If you look inside, once you come around here and look down at the pedals, you can see how nice and unworn and original they are. This car is a 25,000 mile original mileage car. This car came out of a collection. It was owned by, well, the first owner only had the car for a little over a year. He traded in, I guess, a Volkswagen van, and then the second owner bought it, and he is a NASA scientist. I guess he worked for JPL. He worked on launching a bunch of satellites. I guess there's even a satellite still out there that's going around not Mars, Jupiter, I'm sorry, right now that he was involved with. Then being an ASU professor. He drove the car quite a bit when he first got the car, then he put it away and started amassing his car collection. He had everything from Ferrari 250s, Corvettes, Panteras, really special stuff. Our client bought the car from him and knew him here in Arizona in 2017 and got the car recommissioned for the road, and he really didn't drive it. The one thing about it is he did buy a set of wheels for the car with newer tires, because the car comes with the original Fuchs with original Pirelli tires that are how the car came. Again, to back up the verification of the miles. But walking around this car, the aluminum trim around here that usually fades out is just beautifully still nice and black. Again, around the back window. Let's open up the engine bay. When the car was recommissioned, he did take off the air pump, but all that stuff comes with the car. Put in new hot air hoses, full service, cap, rotor, plugs, wires, everything he could do that would need to be checked out. Everything about the car is just completely beautiful. Look at the door and the jams here, the stickers, just how the lights are just really nice and bright and nothing, color faded or scratched up. All the rubber is in great shape. Again, come around this side, you can see how nice this mahogany leather interior is with the dark brown carpet. It has a period correct, let's call it, aftermarket stereo in it, all Blaupunk, and very nice. We have the original owner's manuals and sales warranty books and all that stuff that comes with the car, full complete toolkit, spare, jack, all that type of stuff. But again, we also paint the car. We believe the car's original paint, so there's nothing to see that it couldn't be. But this is just a super special car. I don't know that I've had a 911 79 SC ever in this kind of condition. So this is going to be really a prize of somebody's collection. So any questions, hit us up. Use the contact seller button. We're happy to get shipping quotes or any information on the car. Also, if you're ever interested in 911R selling a car for you, use the contact seller button. We can talk about that. Thank you very much.